From a construction kit that allows users to build a functioning robot, to an axe that's equipped with 10 multi-tools, here are some of the most mind-blowing gadgets that will amaze you. Geek Club Cyberpunk Construction Kit. Time to build your own robot. The manufacturer promises to provide you with comprehensive step-by-step instructions and a complete set of tools, including tweezers, pliers, and a soldering iron to ensure a seamless building process. Each robot boasts a unique structure and distinctive appearance. Whether you choose to assemble the spider-like hexapod or the two-legged heavy sniper, you can opt for individual builds or acquire the complete set, consisting of 5 fascinating models. Additionally, you'll have the opportunity to equip your robots with blinking LED lights, bringing them to life and adding a touch of vibrant illumination. Prepare to be awestruck as you behold a remarkable display of mind-blowing inventions that will leave you utterly amazed and at a loss for words. Their astonishing magnificence will captivate your senses and leave an indelible impression on your mind. Gaze G Bone Parking Number Plate. Now your phone number will be easily visible at all times. This item is available in chrome, silver, and gold, making it a perfect fit for any car interior. The plate includes 4 sets of numbers that can be easily rearranged and replaced whenever necessary. You can place the plate anywhere you desire, and it will securely adhere using 4 adhesive stickers. Rodless Reel. Prepare to enhance your fishing experience with this remarkable rodless fishing reel. Built to last, this reel is constructed entirely from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, ensuring exceptional durability. Say goodbye to tangled lines, as the special snap swivel prevents any mishaps. Simply spin the lure for a few seconds, release the line in the desired direction, and then slowly reel it in. The reel's design prioritizes comfort, featuring large finger holes for a secure grip, and it is even ambidextrous, catering to both left-handed and right-handed individuals. OGT Survival Axe. If you're looking for a versatile tool that goes beyond the basics, check out this impressive axe. It offers additional features such as a hammer, pry and lever, and a nail puller, making it ideal for camping trips. With 10 common multi-tools included, it's equipped to split wood and break ice effortlessly. But wait, there's more. There's another option with a whopping 31 multi-tools packed into a single body, ensuring you're always prepared. Along with the mentioned functions, it also includes a 6-inch foldable knife, a seatbelt cutter, and even a gas valve shutoff wrench. With this tool by your side, there's nothing that can stand in your way. OGT Survival Companion. Introducing a compact survival multi-tool that easily fits in your hand. This hand tool offers a range of useful features, including fold-out ferrocerium and magnesium rods for starting fires. It also includes an emergency whistle, blade sharpener, and reflective panels. The compass and thermometer can provide valuable assistance in various situations. Additionally, the remarkable belt clip adds convenience. Depending on your specific needs, this tool can transform into a screwdriver, bottle and can opener, 4 hex wrenches of different sizes, a serrated scraper, and a ruler. "3D Mechanized Playing Cards." Get ready for a mesmerizing experience that combines a deck of cards with the most captivating packaging you've ever seen. The metal box adorned with gears and decorative elements is a dream come true for steampunk enthusiasts. However, the true enchantment unfolds when you place the deck into the magnificent mechanical frame. Not only does it set the gears in motion, but it also illuminates them with cool LED lighting. You have the freedom to turn the lighting on and off as desired. Some of these dice even feature exquisite Swarovski crystal decorations. Now, let's embark on a thrilling game and experience the magic for ourselves. Mini Rugged Outdoor Speaker. Get ready to take your music on the go, as your best buddy for outdoor activities is now transformed into a military-inspired piece of equipment. Meet the powerful Bluetooth 5.0 speaker designed to withstand the toughest conditions. With a full metal zinc alloy body, it offers exceptional durability, while its water-resistant feature ensures protection even in heavy rain. You can enjoy up to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, which is quite remarkable for such a compact device. But that's not all. This gadget also includes an integrated flashlight with 3 different modes, adding to its versatility. Ring Clock. This innovative ring features engraved slits with bright LEDs, available in either blue or orange. By gently rotating the ring, the digits align for 15 seconds, allowing you to easily read the time. It's fully waterproof, ensuring you don't have to worry about water damage. With a battery life of 3 to 5 days, recharging becomes a minimal concern. The package also includes a beautiful wireless charging pad for convenient recharging. Choose from a wide variety of sizes and color options to suit your preferences. Prepare yourself for an electrifying and awe-inspiring adventure as we introduce not just one, but 2 mind-boggling wonders that will ignite your imagination. Katula Micro Spikes. Now it's time to prioritize stability. Each pad is equipped with 12 1cm spikes that are designed for traversing icy, hard-packed snow and rocky terrain. If needed, you can select a model specifically designed for dirt or opt for the urban model, which offers a quieter experience. A pair of S-size crampons weighs approximately 312 grams, and the price is set at $75. Titanium Pill Fob. Here's a pill case keychain made of titanium. It's hypoallergenic, won't rust or get hot. It weighs only 11 grams and comes with a lanyard and ring to attach to your bag. It has double protection for extreme situations. It costs $23. There's also another variant in military style, made of titanium, weighing only 5.5 grams. It's waterproof, can be used as a keychain or pendant, and holds 4 aspirin tablets. It comes with a lifetime warranty and costs $17.